First of all, you have to install Photoshop beta version. Then you will be able to enable the new feature. Installing Photoshop beta. Then go to Windows, click to open contextual taskbar. Whenever you open an image, first of all in the contextual taskbar you'll see Remove Background option. Click to automatically remove the background. After you will see this new button called Generate Background. Let's click on it and type this prompt. This is a simple, gentle waves lap a sandy beach, meeting the gaze of majestic mountains under a sun-drenched sky. Let's click to Generate button, automatic generate background. That's it, and whatever it generated absolutely matches with subject from the lighting, the perspective and colors. Select the variations background, and first one here is the second one and here is the third one. I think select the third one matches with colors. Again click to generate background and select the 3 variation background. The second one and here is the third one, and select the third one background. And I think select the second one background. Right-click to convert smart object. Go to Filter, a blur, select the Gaussian blur. And radius, 3.2. Hit OK. Hope you like this video and subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.